How did the research and development process take place before you were ready to launch the plastic formwork system?
We actually spent a lot of time on research and development. We saw the problem in the construction industry, and then when we started working on it, the first thing we started with plastic board, which could replace plywood. Once we started with that, then we got to know that it had its own limitations, because after 3 to 4 repetitions, it started warping. It started changing its shape basically because of the difference in the temperatures and stuff. So we made a steel frame, we fixed it onto our plastic board, and then we used it, and then it was fine. So, but the problem was it became very heavy. There was no proper locking system. There were still leakages between the joints. We wanted a system which was actually not a jugaad. Then we designed an entire mold, because we were into making plastic molded furniture. So we had idea about molds and stuff. So then we said, why don't we make a mold with a proper locking system so that the plates can be joined together easily. So that's how a regular R&D went in, and then we launched the product in 2010. Initially, we launched it in a different plastic materials, which was very stiff, and it was giving good enough 75-80 repetitions even then, but we needed something even better. So we innovated again and again on product and material as well. And we launched the current system in 2015 with a stiffener and making it more impact resistance. Now people are getting 150 to 300 repetitions. So I think R&D never stops. In our case, we are regularly inventing and working on research and development of how to make it better and better and better.